How do you provide your clients with the expert advice and service they're looking for so that they can feel confident? Here at KCM, we professionally design content that you can share with your clients no matter the setting, whether that be on social media, your website, or at your favorite local coffee shop. Hi, I'm Alexis. I'm a member of the support team here at KCM, and I'm going to walk through this so you can get a feel for the features and benefits of membership. All right, let's get started. When you first log in, you'll come here to the member area. This is where you'll access all of the done-for-you content that's being updated on a daily basis from the KCM research team. From your dashboard page, you're just a click away from sharing content out to your sphere. At the top of the page, you'll find links to your QuickStart program. This was designed to guide you through the membership based on your personal business needs, whether you're looking for a set it and forget it solution or you want a more tailored approach. Scrolling down on this page, you'll find the 5 most recent blog articles that cover a variety of topics to address your buyer and seller's most difficult questions. You can search through blog content by keyword, making it easy to follow up with relevant knowledge that's specific to a conversation you might have had with a potential client. On top of that, when you share these on social media, your branding and contact information is right there. Using the left-hand navigation bar, you can find our add-on feature here. Personalized videos are already created for you, making it easy for you to have videos without the hassle of making them yourself. Plus, they have your branding at the end of each one as a call to action for your viewers. This saves you so much time if you want to have that video presence without learning the ropes or having to be on camera. Here you can find your buyer and seller guides, which are updated seasonally. These are perfect to offer at your open houses and provide much more value than a simple business card. Best of all, it looks like you wrote it yourself. Moving right along, you'll find your infographics. These are a great way to demonstrate what's going on in the market for your more visual clients. Use these to start a meaningful conversation with your friends and followers. You can download them to have them on your phone when your clients ask you questions about the market. You can also access your monthly market reports from the left-hand navigation bar. These reports come out at the beginning of each month and make it easy to understand what's going on in the market, making it much simpler for you to translate complicated concepts for your clients. You can also take the script directly from this report and record your own version with some local flair. We also provide you with educational e-guides, training webinars, and a step-by-step QuickStart program that's tailored specifically to your goals and your business. But really the best way to get to know the KCM membership is to try it for yourself through our 14-day free trial, where you will have full access to everything that our members receive. There's no commitment and you can cancel at any time. Visit trykcm.com or click the link below to get started with sharing relevant, done-for-you content that positions you as the trusted leading agent in your market today.